Since 1892, Wellspring has been disrupting the cycle of family homelessness. We work with families who are in crisis, whether they're on the brink of losing their housing or they're already experiencing homelessness, and we help get them back on their feet. Like most businesses, technology is critical to our operations. We need information to flow smoothly within divisions so that we can communicate with each other and get the outcomes we need. We want to be able to focus on doing the best work for our clients that we can. We want them to have the best experience with us. Technology makes that possible. NetTech has really taken on the day-to-day operations of our technology, making it easier for our other team members to focus on business systems and processes that help move our organization forward. NetTech is more than just a service provider. Not just help desk support and not just computers, but a true full package of services. They really are a professional technology organization and one that really cares about our success. It was a tremendous weight off my shoulders to know that our IT would simply run when we needed it to run. NetTech has converted IT capital and operating costs into a simple subscription model. It's reliable, and their team is incredibly responsive. And it's dramatically reduced the risk associated with our IT infrastructure. I highly recommend NetTech. They are a fabulous partner to the nonprofit sector.